tired of drying your hair like this? Or like this? All because you don't want to use a blow dryer and you're in a hurry.
Are you tired of your sockets being blown out?
Sometimes it might even come to doing this.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Let me ask you, are you tired of using a towel turban to dry your hair? Let me ask you this as well. Are you tired of flipping your hair back to dry it like so?
Then get the Barber Eco 8000 eco-friendly blow dryer.
The Barber Eco 8000 eco-friendly blow dryer has clean heat without radiation.
Our blow dryer emits less radiation because it uses a ceramic brisk instead of a metal coil.
Did you know most hair dryers emit more radiation than a microwave?
Because of the radiation in other hair dryers, many people suffer from hair loss, like this. You don't want this. We all know that nobody wants split ends like this. Other hair dryers, because of their radiation, cause people to have dead ends. Our hair dryer, however, does not because of the less radiation. With our hair dryer, you can have long, luscious, healthy hair, such as this. This hair dryer is gentle on your hair because of the little radiation it produces.
The Barber Eco 8000 emits only 4.1 milligauss of radiation, while the normal hair dryer emits around 200 to 400 milligauss of radiation.
And for other, possibly strange things you can do with this hair dryer. Isn't having wet shoes when you come in from the rain so annoying? Well, thanks to the new hair dryer, you can dry off your shoes. Look at that, dry in seconds. Now you can wear them around your house without dragging around all the gunk from outside. Yes, if you wanted to heat up pizza or many other foods with this hair dryer, you can.
It can even dry your dog. Oh yeah.
Even animals such as dogs enjoy this. Don't you, Leia?
It has a lifetime warranty guaranteed, or your money back.
Our hairdryer comes in a multitude of colors, including black, red, pink, green, blue, orange, purple, silver, gold, and, for a limited time, rainbow.
Instead of having to replace your blow dryer every few years, get the Eco 8000 eco-friendly blow dryer and be set for life.
Call now and you'll receive a free speaker to attach to your hairdryer so you can be jamming out while drying your hair.
Don't be nothing, now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hating, say we changing, look we made.
So, you may be wondering how this works. Well, first, electricity flows from the socket in the wall through the cord to the hairdryer. Then, the electricity helps to spin a fan in the back of the hairdryer to help actually blow the hot air. The hot air then travels through the tunnel of the hairdryer, which is made of eco-friendly materials such as ceramic bisque, which are gentle on your hair as to not damage it. Finally, the air blows through the end of the airway to dry your hair. Interested in this Barber Eco 8000 eco-friendly hairdryer? Then call 317-987-6543. The cost is just $25.95 plus shipping and handling. You don't want to miss out on this amazing offer. You can also order online going to our website at barbereco8000 ecofriendlyhairdryer.com. Thank you for watching.